using the text tool, the mask text tool. That's the one that will cut things out. It is the dotted line T. You click where you want to use it, and you can start typing. While the background is red, it is still editable. So right now I can hit Command A to select everything. You can change the font, you can change the size, and you can even move it. But as soon as it turns into the actual dotted line lettering, you can no longer edit it. So as soon as it gets to this mode, you cannot edit it anymore, and it's locked in place. If I hit the delete key right now, it deletes the actual letters. If I want to delete everything except for the letters, I have to go up to the Select tab and choose Inverse. And then everything except for the letters is selected, and then I can delete the background.